explained you 4 questions of exercise 2.2. Now in this lecture we are beginning with our question number 5. So let's have a look over the question number 5. Your question number 5 is, students, find. Right? What you are supposed to find, students? First question is half of 24. Right? We all know how to do the half. Right? So half of 24. Next one is half of 46. So let's here calculate it and get the answer. So first one, students, half of 24, that means we have to solve like this, right? So 2 12s are, so 24 if you divide by 2, then you will get the answer as 12, right? Similarly, second one is, students, half of 46. So what is half of 46, students? If you do the half of 46, you get 23. Is it okay? Now let's see the next question, students. There is 2 by 3 of 18. So 2 by 3 of means multiply with the 18. Now here you can, students, you can cut down, right? 18 and 3. So 3 ones are and 3 6 are. So 2 6 are, it's 12, right? And the next question is, students, 27 is there. So 2 by 3 of 27. Is it clear? So 3 ones are and 3 nines are. So 2 nines are, student, it is 18. Is it clear? Now, okay, students, now let's see the C and D question of this question number 5, right? So 3 by 4 of 16 and 3 by 4 of 36. This both we need to calculate it. So just to see over here, students. First one, 3 by 4 of 16. So multiply by 16. Of means you have to multiply, right? Now 4 ones are and 4 fours are 16, right? So 3 fours are, it is 12. Next one, student, 3 by 4 of 36, right? So 4 ones are, 4 nines are. So what is 3 nines are? It is 27. Now let's see the next question. That is 4 by 5 of 20. So 4 by 5 multiplied by 20, students. So 5 ones are, 5 fours are. So 4 fours are is 16. And next one is 4 by 5 of 35. So 5 ones are, 5 sevens are 35. Right? So 4 sevens are, students, the answer is 28. Right? I hope, students, you understood this question number 5. Okay, students, now let's see the question number 6. Right? The question is multiply and express as mixed fractions. That means your step number 1 is to multiply it. Right? If your answer, student, come in the improper fraction, then you need to convert it into mixed fractions, right? So let's see the solutions for these questions. Okay, first one is, students, 3 multiplied by 5 integer 1 upon 5. So first of all, convert this into improper fraction. So 5 5s are 25 plus 1, so it is 26 upon 5. Right? So 26 upon 5, students. Now we will multiply them. So 26 3s are, it is 78 upon 5. Right? Now again, student, will convert this answer into mixed fraction. The reason is this is an improper fraction, so again we'll convert it into mixed fraction. You very well know that how to get the mixed fraction by dividing the 78 by 5 and then have the cycle format, right? So 15 5s are 75 plus 3. So this is the mixed fraction of this particular question. Next one, students. 5 multiplied by 6 integer 3 by 4. 5 multiplied by 6 integer 3 by 4. So first of all, I am converting this mixed fraction into improper. So 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3, it is 27 by 4. Now let's multiply this, right? So 27 5s are, 5 7s are 35. 5s are 10 plus 3, so 135 upon 4. Now we have to convert, student, this answer into mixed fraction because this is an improper one. So let's see the mixed fraction of it. 4 3s are 12 and we get 1 as a remainder 15. So again 3s are 12. So this will be the, students, the mixed fraction of it, right? So 33 4s is 132 and 1 4. Now let's see question. These all are the same kind only, students, right? So 7 into 2 integer 1 upon 4. 7 into 2 integer 1 upon 4. So first we'll convert this mixed into improper, right? Then again improper into mixed. Only this particular channel needs to be followed. So 7 multiplied by 2 4s are 8 plus 1. So it is 9 by 4. Now 7 9s are, it is 63 by 4. Right? So we'll convert this answer into again the mixed fraction, students. So the mixed fraction of this will be 15 4s are 60 plus 3. Right? 15 4s are 60 plus 3. So we'll get 15 integer 3 by 4. See the next one, students, this one. So first of all, we'll convert this mixed into improper. So 6 3s are 18 plus 1. So it is 19 upon 3. Now 4 19 4s are, student, it is 76 upon 3. Right? 4 9s are 36, 4 1s are 4 plus 3. So 76 upon 3. And we'll convert this into mixed fraction, students. So 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are. So this is the mixed fraction of it, students. 25 integer 1 upon 3, right? Now let's see the another question. 3 integer 1 upon 4 multiplied by 6. 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13 upon 4 into 6. So 13 6 are, student, it is 78 upon 4. Yes, if you want to reduce, you can reduce, right? If you want to reduce them, students, you have reduce कर सकते हैं. See here I am reducing it. 2 2s are 4 and 2 39s are 78. आप यहाँ पर भी reduce कर सकते हो. You can reduce in the next step also as you wish, right? So it is 19 2s are 38 plus 1, right? So it is 39 upon 2. Is it clear, students? Now taking the last question. 3 integer 2 upon 5 multiplied by 8, right? Multiplied by 8. So let's have a look here. 3 5 are 15 plus 2. 17 upon 5 into 8. Now 17 8s are, students. 8 7s are 56, right? 8 1s are 8 plus 5, that means 13. Right, clear? So 17 8s are, students, it is 136 upon 5. So we'll convert this into mixed fraction. So the mixed fraction of this will be 5 2s are 10 and 5 7s are 35. So it will be 27 1 upon 5, right? Because 27 5s are, students. 27 5s is 135 plus 1, so 136 upon 5, right? I hope, students, you understood question number 6. Okay, students. Now let's see the question number 7, right? Again, the same kind of question is this: find, right? So find half of 2 integer 3 by 4. Similarly, find half of 4 integer 2 by 9. So let's see here the calculation, students. Okay, first one we'll do this one. So half of 2 integer 3 by 4, right? So half into 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8 plus 3, so it's 11 upon 4. So 1 11s are 11 and 2 4s are 8. Now this is an improper fraction, students. So again we need to convert it into mixed fraction. So 1 8s are 8 and plus 3. 1 8s are 8 plus 3. So we'll get 1 integer 3 upon 8. So this is the answer for this particular question. Now see the second one, students. Half of 4 integer 2 upon 9, right? Just a minute. So half into 4 9s are 36 plus 2 is 38 upon 9, right? Students, if you wish, you can cut 2 and 38 so that you can reduce down your working. So 2 1s are and 2 19s are, right? So 19 upon 9. It's an improper fraction, so again you can convert it into mixed fraction. So 9 2s are 18, 2 9s are 18 plus 1, right? I hope, students, you understood this much. Okay, students, now let's see the second question of this question number 7. right? So 5 by 8 of 3 integer 5 by 6 and 5 by 8 of 9 integer 2 by 3. So that also we need to calculate. So have a look over here for the solution, students. First one is 5 by 8 multiplied by 3 integer 5 by 6, right? So 5 by 8 multiplied by 3 6 are 18 plus 5, so it is 23 upon 6, right? So now let's multiply because there is no any cutting chance over here. So 23 5s are 115 and 8 6 are 48, right? 5 3s are 50 and 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. Now again we need to, students, we need to reduce this one, right, by the format of mixed fraction because cutting is not possible over here. Okay, students, now let's see the mixed fraction of it, right? So 48 2s are, it's 96 and 115 minus 96 you get 3 minus 6 it's 9 and 10 minus 9 is 1, so we get 19. So 2 integer 19 upon 48. Now let's see the next question, students, that is 5 by 8 of 9 integer 2 upon 3, right? So 5 by 8 into 9 3s are 27 plus 2 29 upon 3, right? 9 3s are 27 plus 2 is 29. So let's see the calculation. Nothing is possible over here, so cutting is not possible. So 8 3s are 24 and 29 5s are 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are 10 plus 4, that is 145. Now we divide 145 by 24, students. So the mixed fraction of it, this will be, okay, 24 6 it's 144. So the remaining one is 1, right? So this is the mixed fraction of it, 6 integer 1 upon 24, right? I hope, students, you understood question number 7. Okay, students, now let's see the last question, that is question number 8, that is Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic, right? They went for a picnic. Now their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Now their mother had given them a water bottle which consists of 5 liters of water. Now Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. That means 2 by 5th portion of that water is been consumed by Vidya. That means out of 5 liters, Vidya has drank 2 liters of water. Now Pratap consumed the remaining water. Now what is the remaining, students? If out of 5, if 2 liters is being consumed by Vidya, then the remaining 3 liters will be consumed by Pratap, right? So first question is, how much water did Vidya drink? How much water did Vidya drink? So here we have to write the answer as 2 liters. Right, students? Now next one is, students, what fraction of the total quantity of the water did Pratap drink? What fraction of the quantity? So here we have to write the answer in the format of fraction. So out of 5 liters, how much liters Pratap have consumed? 3 liters. So write in the fraction as, students, 3 upon 5. Right? I hope, students, this question number 8 is clear to